Hey guys, this is DaveYourMortgageGuy.com, and I'm back with another update because a bunch of crazy stuff is happening in our industry, right? And it kind of seems at times like a little bit like a shit show, right? So number one, the IRS is technically shut down. They made an announcement about not processing IRS transcripts. So if your client is self-employed, almost every single time those are required, right? So you may hear that they're delaying closings or whatnot. That should not be the case. You can actually order them online through the IRS. I did it this morning just to test it, and I'm going to post the link down below. So if your client is self-employed and in the process, find out if they have those back, and if not, have the client order themselves. Some lenders may require this on all their files, so I would be proactive and tell your client to find out if it's needed, and if they don't have it back, the lender go and order it themselves, right? Be proactive. It's very easy, right? So that's number one. Number two, I want to give you more of an update on FHA loans as we're seeing more and more information come out. Right now, I know of two lenders that had FHA loans, lower credit scores, under 640, go to closing, and they did not fund the loan. They stopped doing those loans. Okay, and we actually have taken those over, and they're in underwriting now because we are doing them. Look, a couple things that's going on here. One, many lenders are going to go to possibly a 640 minimum credit score, 680, 660 for FHA. So prepare to see those announcements, or tighter debt to income ratios, right? Somebody had asked me about down payment assistance. I don't do that, but personally, I would think that that's going to get tighter also with higher requirements to do those types of loans because they're considered riskier. All right. Look, one thing I want to tell you is this. The reason I'm doing these videos, and I'm talking to other lenders, loan officers in other states, loan officers that are calling me, researching it, talking to investors. I'm doing a ton of homework to get you guys this information. So it's not just me telling you how we're handling loans. I'm trying to give you all of the information so you know what's really going on out there, okay? But if you talk to your lender or a lender and they tell you that something is no longer happening or something is a fact, like nobody's doing FHA loans under 640, that's not true, right? So they may be speaking on what they know based on themselves as a lender and not what's in the market. And that's really why you've got me, and why you should also call one or two lenders to verify what that lender told them for the situation, right? And again, if you have an FHA buyer who's pre-approved, I would go back and make sure that they get pre-approved, meaning have the loan officer look at the situation again, verify that they can do the loan. Can they even get an interest rate? Some of the lower scores, the interest rate costs so much in fees, you technically can't even close it, right? So very much you need to be proactive on what's going on. Look, at the end of the day, we're going to get through this. Everything is going to be fine. I actually survived through the crash of 2008, and I'm still here, right? So we've got faith. Stay tuned for these videos. Call or email me if you need anything. Subscribe, comment down below, and if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.